don't want to do it and get hurt.
I don't want to fall over and get, worn out, hurt.
Marcy already put in my insurance card.
If it was at the very end of the day, I might try, but
Yeah,
I thought he was going right.
I would flame out.
Oh yeah.
Sliding backwards.
no, I can't do that.
Think JS would do it?
I know you would.
Holy fuck me.
This dude can ride, man. I've been trying to stick with him, and he's
Think
good.
Andy would do it, Ben?
No.
He would try.
Yeah.
I would tell him not to. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Well, he's 32 for one.
Wow.
Look
That's
at
bad.
that. Oh.
Fuck off.
Show off. He wants to book us again.
Nice!
We're talking to him already about Mexico.
Hey, I can tell you, I would not do that.